Hey friends, I'm Jess, the founder of Sallie Tomato, and I am so excited to share something new with you today. We're officially launching YouTube memberships here on the Sallie Tomato channel. This membership is all about giving you extra ways to connect, learn, and have fun with bag making. When you join, you'll unlock some really exciting perks, starting with exclusive videos that are only available to members, and that means early access to tutorials, behind-the-scenes looks at our new patterns, and special projects that you won't see anywhere else. Next, members will get exclusive community posts and polls. You can vote on projects, ask questions, and even help shape what we make next. It's like having your own private corner of our channel to connect with other bag makers and directly with us. We'll also be hosting membership milestone chats, celebrating your sewing wins and special accomplishments. So whether it's finishing a tricky pattern or just creating something special that makes you proud, we want to cheer you on. So if you want exclusive content, a fun community, and a front row seat to everything Sallie Tomato, hit that join button and become a member today. We can't wait to sew, create, and celebrate with you. Thanks for being part of our creative community, and we'll see you in the member-only content.